Okay, so imagine this, a government practically giving away money for people to buy houses.
Wow.
That's kind of what's happening in Thailand right now.
Yeah.
And we all want to know what that means for the property market there. So we're diving into this report from Ocean Worldwide Phuket Real Estate.
Yeah, okay.
Their real estate agency in Phuket
Right in the heart of it.
to figure out just what's going on.
It's not just about giving money away, though.
Right.
The interesting thing is that the Thai government is really strategically targeting two very specific areas with this 55 billion baht
55 billion.
soft loan package.
55 billion ban.
Yeah.
That's,
It's a lot.
let me grab my calculator here.
A lot of bahts.
That's a lot of dollars, too.
Yeah.
Okay, so two areas, break it down for me.
So first, they're offering what they're calling purchase construction loans
Okay.
to help people build or buy new properties.
Gotcha.
This suggests that they're looking to address a potential shortage of new housing stock and boost the construction industry, which is, a classic way to stimulate growth
Makes sense.
in the economy.
Construction means jobs. Jobs mean money in people's pockets,
Exactly.
and then they can buy more houses.
Maybe not immediately, but,
Right.
that increased economic activity does tend to lead to more confidence in the market.
For sure.
So
Okay.
now the second type of loan is interesting.
Go ahead.
It's for repair and decoration.
Oh, wow.
So not just building new,
Interesting.
but fixing up what's already there.
So they're covering both ends of the market.
Yeah,
New builds and renovations.
exactly.
Makes sense.
I'm guessing this is all about making borrowing super attractive, right?
Right.
What's the catch? Are these loans only for Thai citizens?
Yeah.
Well, the article doesn't specify
Uh-huh.
who's eligible, but the impact on the market will be interesting to watch regardless.
Yeah, for sure.
And you're right about the attractive part.
Okay.
We're talking potential interest rates below 3%, which is practically unheard of
These
these
days.
days.
Crazy.
This could make home ownership or a major renovation accessible to way more people.
That is attractive.
Yeah.
But is the Thai government just gambling here?
Mm.
Or have they tried this kind of thing before?
Actually, this move really fits a pattern.
Okay.
Remember the Happy Home Housing Loan Project?
I don't
And the
remember.
Happy Life Loan Project.
Those names sound familiar, but
Yeah.
fill me in.
Together, those were worth 40 billion baht.
Okay.
And they were incredibly popular.
Really?
Almost all the funds were used up,
So they're doubling down
basically.
on what seems to be a winning strategy.
They've seen it work before,
Yeah.
and now they're hoping for an even bigger impact.
I'm starting to see why you called this strategic.
Mm,
It's like they're setting off the chain reaction.
Think about it.
Okay.
More construction, more renovations,
Mm-hmm.
immediate boost to the economy.
Right.
But then you have the ripple effects. More people buying and selling property, furniture stores, getting more business,
I see.
maybe even a surge in interior design,
Oh, wow.
services.
And as you said, more jobs created across multiple sectors,
Exactly.
leading to a potential increase in consumer spending.
Uh-huh.
It's fascinating to see how this can have such a wide-reaching impact.
It is.
But didn't you say there were two types of loans?
Yeah.
We only talked about construction and renovation.
Right.
What's the other one?
You're thinking about the previous programs.
Oh, right.
This time it's all about these two types of loans
Gotcha.
for construction and renovation,
Okay.
totaling that massive 55 billion we talked about.
Right. Of course.
The article focuses specifically on those.
Okay. Makes sense. Okay, so focusing on these loans then,
Right.
what kind of impact are we expecting to see on the Thai property market?
Well,
Specifically.
the article quotes the deputy finance minister,
Okay.
Pum Rajanasakal, saying that they're aiming to mirror those affordable interest rates
Right.
from those earlier successful programs.
Right.
If they can do that, we could see a huge increase in property sales,
Yeah.
especially in areas like Phuket,
Right.
where the market's already recovering.
Forget beautiful beaches,
Yeah.
amazing food,
Yeah.
and now potentially even more affordable housing.
It's pretty appealing.
That sounds like a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
But hold on, we've talked a lot about the positives here.
Right.
Any government program this big has got to have some risks too, right?
Oh, for sure. You're absolutely right.
Like what?
Pumping this much money into the housing market
Yeah.
could lead to some unintended consequences.
Okay.
One concern is like artificially inflated property prices.
Oh, so like if demand goes way up because of these loans,
Yeah.
it could create a bubble.
Hmm.
That's not sustainable.
Oh, like what happened in the U.S. back
Yeah.
in 2008.
Exactly.
That wasn't pretty.
Not at all.
Are there safeguards in place to prevent that in Thailand? That's the million-dollar question.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the article doesn't really give specifics about safeguards, but it's a good point.
Yeah.
The government needs to be careful here.
For sure.
Maybe they'll implement some things like limits on loan amounts or stricter eligibility to try to mitigate the risk.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
I'm also wondering about long-term effects on the housing supply.
Okay.
What happens if everyone starts building and renovating?
At the same time.
Yeah. All at once, could Thailand end up with too many properties?
Ooh, that's a good question.
And not enough buyers.
That's another valid concern.
Yeah.
It's all about balance.
Okay.
Government needs to really carefully assess the existing housing and project future demand.
Okay.
If supply outpaces demand, that could lead to falling property values.
Right.
Which is bad news for everybody.
Yeah, for sure.
Involved.
So it's not as simple as just handing out loans and hoping for the best. There's a need for strategic planning.
Absolutely.
Careful management to make sure this program is beneficial long-term.
Lots of moving pieces.
It's like a science experiment.
I like that.
Lots of variables, and we need to observe carefully.
Yeah, and just like a science experiment, we won't know the full results for some time. It'll be interesting to see how it all plays out.
Absolutely. But for our listeners out there right now who are thinking about their own interest in the Thai property market, what jumps out at you as particularly interesting or concerning about all this?
Yeah, what questions are swirling around in your mind?
It's almost as if we're handing you the magnifying glass now.
Right.
Urging you to dig deeper.
What sparks your curiosity?
Are you excited about the potential opportunities?
Or are the risks making you hesitant?
It's a complex situation.
Definitely.
With a lot of moving parts.
Lots of moving parts.
And your perspective is a crucial piece of this whole puzzle.
This is fascinating stuff.
It really is a bold move by the Thai government.
Yeah.
This has the potential to really reshape the entire property landscape.
I think so.
And not just in Phuket, but across the whole country.
Definitely.
Whether you're thinking about investing in Thai property, or just curious about how governments can shape a market, this is definitely a story to watch.
Absolutely. A case study worth following.
So for you listening right now, this raises some interesting questions.
For sure.
As you learn more about the Thai property market.
Right.
Think about this.
Okay.
Could this model be replicated elsewhere? Could we use a similar approach? You know, tailored to specific local conditions. To tackle housing challenges in other parts of the world.
That's the big question.
Like taking what we've learned here and applying it to a whole new set of circumstances. Imagine the possibilities.
It's exciting to think about.
As you explore this topic, remember to think critically.
Yes.
Don't just accept the headlines.
Right.
Dig deeper, analyze the data.
Exactly.
Consider every angle.
Think it through.
That's what the deep dive is all about.
That's right.
We're giving you the tools,
the knowledge,
and insights to form your own opinions.
Absolutely.
Now it's your turn to take the plunge.
Yeah, go explore.
And explore further.
Keep asking those questions.
Keep learning.
And keep the conversation going.
That's a wrap for our deep dive into Thailand's property market.
Hope you enjoyed it.
We hope you enjoyed the journey.